Hello Jerry, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're just coming across me for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty. So I just want to quickly show you how you can make a whitening black soap. This whitening black soap, I'll be pro-mixing this whitening black soap. But for the fact that I said it's a whitening black soap does not mean that it will whiten you up in 3 days. Yes, so just stay tuned, watch this video to the end. And in case you want to enroll for our online skincare class, please send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. We also do body enhancement class. So in case you want to train on body enhancement class, send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing on the screen. And also all our classes for now, they are online. Yeah, for now we don't do physical class for now until further notice, because we are so busy, you know. And in case you want to buy our body enhancement products, we have body enhancement products that are very effective, natural and safe for you. Before you know it, when you're using this body enhancement products, you will start achieving the desired shape you want. We have body enhancement syrup. This is very good for enlarging your backside. We also have the butts and hips enlargement oil. So this is the butt and hips enlargement oil. This is the massaging oil. This is what you take that makes your butts grow from the outside, and it also brings out your hips also. And we have the butt scrub. So this is the scrub. In case you need any of this body enhancement product, please just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing on the screen. We also have flat tummy drink. So in case you have a lot of fats in your tummy and you want to burn them down, this is our flat tummy drink. This flat tummy gives you a result from 14 days. Believe me, from 14 days. And also we have our breast firming oil. This is a breast firming oil. So for those of you that have nursed baby before, or even some people that have not nursed baby, they have flat breast. So this is for flat breasts, shrink breast, sag breast, sorry, boobs. This is gonna help you. I use this and believe me, it truly work. People that are using this, they are really seeing results. So like I said, if you want to do training in any of this products, you want to learn body enhancement, you want to learn skincare, please just call on the WhatsApp number you're seeing on the screen. So let's dive straight into the video. So today we are making our whitening black soap. In here I have my Ghana black soap, and I have my 7 days carrot whitening black soap. Next I'll be adding in my ozone soap. So here is my ozone soap. When I'm using ozone soap, I usually use it in little quantity. One thing with ozone soap, when you use too much of your ozone soap, it tends to eat up your skin. I don't know how to put it, but I know that as at the last time I used I grated this ozone soap, and I didn't work with my hand glove on that particular day. This ozone soap ate up all my nails. Yeah, my nails got to the extent that I started feeling the flesh beneath my nails. So this soap is very harsh, so be careful when you're using this. Be very careful, because most people, they just grate this soap only and they use it to make soap, which is very dangerous. So please be careful of ozone soap. Why I am using ozone soap is just to help with little exfoliation. Like I said, anything that can eat up your skin easily, it will do a mild exfoliation. So I'm adding the soap just to act as an exfoliant. Okay, so right now I'm gonna pour the soap into a mortar. I should have used my crock pot. Yeah, I should have used my slow cooker, but I'm not using slow cooker. I'll be using my mortar to make this DIY. So guys, here I have my ozone. I have my black soap. My black soap is soft already. I used to buy black soap in a large quantity, so don't worry, I'll soon make a video on the best way to soften your black soap. Then this is my 7 days carrot whitening soap. So I'm going to match this soap for some time. So now I will be adding my herbs to this soap. This is my orange peel, so I'll be adding my orange peel. orange peel is a good body exfoliant. Next, I'll be adding in my neem powder. So this is my neem powder. I'll be adding in my neem powder. So here is my rice powder. I'll be adding in my rice powder to this. Rice powder serves as your soothing and calming ingredient, because same thing that allantoin powder will do is what this rice powder will do in this soap right away. So next, I'm gonna be adding my sandalwood powder. This is my sandalwood powder. I'll be adding my sandalwood powder into the soap. This is my licorice powder. Yeah, this is the licorice root. It is brown, it's not the white one. So I'll be adding this into my soap. I want the soap to give me all the herbal benefits I want. Okay, so next I'll be adding in my strawberry powder. This is my strawberry powder. Yeah, my strawberry or strawberry. So next I'll be adding in my propylene glycol to this. So here in this cup, I have the serums I'll be using to activate the soap. Remember, I said I'm making a whitening soap, and believe me, it cannot be whitening if you don't have serum. So any other person selling whitening soap and you feel it's 100% natural, it is a lie. So I'm gonna be adding this serums into it. This is a lightening serum. This serum is I'm using the lightening oil I'm using is Labijanis. Yeah, Labijanis oil, treating body oil. It is a lightening oil and it's not expensive. So the other lightening oil I'm using is Carotene serum, vanishing cream. This is an anti-spots, anti-touch cream. It will brighten up your dark feet, your dark hands, any dark parts on your skin, on your body, to brighten it up. So I had to pour them here. So I'll be adding this serum into the soap just to soften my soap, because the soap is very hard. So here is my soap. It's well mixed now. So I'll be adding in my turmeric powder. This is Indian. So this is Indian turmeric. So can you see this soap? Yeah, so now I'm going to take the pH level of this soap. So like I said, in case you want to know more about skincare formulation, skincare production, just enroll for our online skincare class. So I'm gonna take the pH of the soap, because you have to take the pH of your soap. Most people, when they buy black soap, they say their soap is itching them, their skin is itching them. Yeah, because you're using a soap that is too alkaline. Okay, so this soap right away, black soap naturally they are alkaline in nature. So I have to check the pH of this soap to see if I still have to work on the pH. Okay, so
and it owns the big lord.
So I'm done mixing the soap. Now I'll pack the soap into a container. Then I'll leave the soap for 24 hours before I start making use of the soap. Actually, I'm giving out the soap. This soap is a gift. I'm giving it out. Yeah, so I'll pack it, leave it after 24 hours, then it can be used. Next way you can use whitening black soap is for you to massage that soap on your skin. Let it sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash off. Now, most of the time, some people will say it's not good to apply soap on your skin, especially black soap, that it's gonna irritate your skin. That is if the soap is not well balanced. This soap is pH 7. Yeah, it's on pH 7, so this will not irritate your skin. It is perfectly okay to stay on the skin at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Please pardon the noise you're hearing from the background. There's a party going on in my area, So thank you so much for watching my video. If you really love this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this.